Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday, June 11th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. It's time now for the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this JigSaw Sudoku. News of the day, well, I've told you earlier, there's a ceasefire proposal. It's very positive by the Hamas and also the Israelis. Anyway, enough about the war. Let me start with this JigSaw Sudoku number 8697. 8697. And before I start, I always count at printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits, should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, maybe it's a 0 stars or a 1 star puzzle. 0 stars, I need 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. We'll see what is this a 3 stars or 2 or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle. Alright, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's a single box, there's a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. How about triple boxes? Do we have triple boxes here? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, yeah, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark this. Mark this. Okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already filled in. The 4, okay. Then the following shape, how about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only 1. And the final shape that you need to recognize is the L shape. Rotate it. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. Alright. Then, these 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 2 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Alright. Then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then, let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me think. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. Alright. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. Well, it can be a 3 here. We already have a 3 here, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier, the 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box I marked earlier with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then, let me see. Let me see. I need those numbers here. Yeah. I need those numbers. Let me think. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2 or a 3. So we need a 4 there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated there the 3. Okay. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. And I've sold this in 12 minutes. Well. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. Yeah, so have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.